my lovely subscriber, thank you so much for watching me again. Today I've created this warm nude makeup look. If you like those warm makeup looks or if you like those nude kind of makeup looks, so here it is, the warm nude makeup tutorial. So you can try this makeup look. It's super easy and it doesn't look heavy on your face. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. I'll upload all the pictures and my makeup looks on my Instagram. You can check it. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So yeah, that's it. This is how I created this makeup look. It is super easy, simple, and let me know if you try this makeup look. If you find this video helpful, then please give it a big thumbs up and comment on your thoughts and suggestions. I would love to answer them, and don't forget to follow my Instagram. That's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.